Hi guys, this is Divya Singh and I've just ventured into YouTube and I'm very nervous. What you would find is a lot of beauty and wellness content on my page which would be completely honest and filter free. So come along and watch my first ever video. Hi, so I'm traveling and it's a lovely weather, but that's not why we are here. I am here to show you a DIY for your lips that actually works like a dream. So first you grab a sachet of coffee. Most hotels provide you with coffee sachets in the room, so that shouldn't be difficult to procure. And of course, just take around half a sachet of the coffee. You don't require the entire thing. And then you take some refined sugar. The best thing about hotel sugar sachets are they're usually very finely milled sugar. Again, empty a little bit of the contents into this. You don't require so much sugar, just so much should do. This is it. And then you use some milk to make a nice mixture. And then you pour in some milk, just enough to form a fine paste. Now just mix all the three ingredients well together. So just mix, 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 mix. And this is what you get. This is not a very abrasive physical exfoliator. At the same time, it has got pigmentation, lightening, coffee, which would brighten your lips. It has got milk, which has lactic acid, which is a natural exfoliant and will gently exfoliate your lips. And it has got sugar, which is again finely milled, so would be a very gentle physical exfoliator for your lips. So you have the benefits of both lactic acid and a physical exfoliator in this DIY lip scrub. You just apply it on your lip like you would apply a lip mask. That's it. Just remove this by just gently rubbing in a circular motion this way. Wipe with a wet tissue very gently. You don't need to be harsh on the lips because the area is very sensitive, and you have naturally exfoliated lips. And you have naturally exfoliated lips which feel so much softer and brighter. Just follow up with a nice lip balm and you're sorted.